Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple videos to one screen using Shotcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, make sure you have installed the Shotcut application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this Shotcut application, you can open it, and we're going to create new project on this application. Click on create, and then the first one, I'm going to add background to my project. I'm going to go to the stock, and then I'm going to select background. And for the background, I'm going to go with this black background, and I'm going to add this background to my project. Okay, then we can adjust the duration according to the video duration we want to add. And then we can go to the PIP menu to add our video. I'm gonna select add overlay, and then you can select the video you want to add to your screen. And I'm going to select video from this download folder. Okay, I'm going to add this one, for example. Click on add, and we can adjust the size and also the position like this. And if you want to add more videos, you can click on add overlay again. And wait guys, I'm going to choose video from my download folder or album again. Okay, I'm gonna select this one and adjust the position. Wait, I'm gonna make it smaller like this. And I'm going to add one more video, one or two videos. I'm gonna click on add overlay again, and I'm going to add my video. Okay, for the third video, I'm gonna go with for example this one. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and as you can see guys, that multiple videos have been added to my screen, and you can arrange the video according to your needs. You will be able to change the background if you want. Here I'm using black because I like black. Okay, and then once you're ready to save it, you just need to click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add multiple videos to one screen using Shotcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.